If you're looking for how to send thank you emails to customers after they've made a purchase, I'm going to share with you how you can easily do that using Klaviyo in this video here. So the first thing that you want to do, if you don't already have Klaviyo downloaded, is you want to come to the App Store and type in like this. And it's going to be this app here. There's going to be a bunch of apps that are going to pop up, but it's going to be this app right here, the first one. You're going to install it into your store, get everything set up, and then now you should be all good to go. So when you do hit Klaviyo, you're going to see a dashboard like this. It's going to have a lot of different links here. You're going to see your business performance, your flows, all these different things. Now, before we get started, we need to connect our Shopify account to Klaviyo so that we can send our customers thank you emails and actually get started sending them these flows. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to come to the bottom left corner, click on this icon here, and then click on integrations. So once you click on integrations, you're going to click on add integration. Now you see I already have Shopify in there, but for your case, there's not going to be any information in this page. So you would click on add integration like this, and then you would see all these different integrations. Now, if you want, you could search for Shopify, but it might be deep in one of these pages. You could also probably click on e-commerce like this. Shopify might pop up. It should be right here, yes. Or you can just search integrations like this, and the Shopify will come in there. So you get that installed, enable that onto your website like this. And now what we want to do is we want to make sure all our customers are connected. Okay, so good. So all this is connected here. We want to make sure all our customers are connected. So if you go back to Klaviyo like this, you're going to click on, let's click on list and set. No, let's click on profiles. You want to see all the profiles of everyone in our account. I want to refresh this page here. Okay, so all of our customers here are the same ones here. Now, to show you how this would look in live action, I'm going to click on add customer like this. So I'm going to type in test customer one like this. For this email, I'm going to use one of my email accounts. Okay, good. So we're going to save that in there. And now we also need to do one thing. We need to accept marketing emails. So in this case, you're going to assume that the customer accepted marketing emails. They accept permission to get those marketing emails. So we're going to click save like this. Customer should be in there. We're going to refresh this page just to make sure it's in there. Okay, yeah, subscribe. They're in there. We're going to go back to Klaviyo. We're going to refresh this page now. And you're going to see that they're in there. And then you'll see that on my phone that I just got an email that I'm subscribed to the email address. So now we know that everything is subscribed in there. You could test it with your account as well, just to make sure that everything works. Put your email in there and test that it works. So now we have our customer in there. We have everything good to go. We want to create this thank you flow. So we're going to go here. We're going to click on flows like this. We're going to click on create flow. And now you see they already have some pre-built templates for us. So what we want is we want to send a thank you email to a customer post-purchase. This looks like what we need. So we're going to click on new versus returning customer thank you. Let's take a look here. It says build customer loyalty by sending a thank you email post-purchase. It has this flows here. We're going to break down how these flows work, but this is exactly what we need. We're going to come in here like this. But this is exactly what we need. We're going to go ahead and click on create flow like this. So now you see this flow how it works. When somebody places an order, in this case, that's the trigger. So the trigger is what actually starts this whole flow. When somebody places an order, in this case, you can wait 1 day. Now you're going to make sure that the order was actually placed, and then it splits here. Has the order been placed? Is this their first time? Then you'd send this email here. It's not their first time. They're a repeat customer. They've already purchased from you before. Wow, thank you again. Now, let's say you want to do it sooner than 1 day. You don't want to do it. You want to make it closer to the time that they purchase. So you'd come in here. Instead of 1 day, you change this to hour. Let's say 1 hour. So you'd save that, right? And then now you see that everything is in place. So now what we're going to do, we're going to come back here, right? We're gonna click on test customer one. We're gonna create an order just to show how this would work. So I'm gonna come here, click on products, add a product here, add a product in there. We're gonna save that. And one more thing you want to do before this flow goes live is if you come down here, you want to click on live. Make sure it's live. Come here, click on live. So now everything should be good to go. So now let's go back here. Okay, good. So it's live. So once you have this set up, you pretty much have your flow done. When customers make a purchase for the first time, they'll get an email. If they're a repeat customer, they'll get an email. Now, the good thing about these flows is you can create these with, it doesn't have to be just with post purchases. You can create a newsletter, you can share new products, you can do so many type of things with these flows. But I hope this was a good way of breaking down how you can send thank you emails to customers after they've made a purchase on your Shopify website. If you have any questions or you'd like me to help you set this up, feel free to send me an email or reach out. All my information is down below. I'll be more than happy to help. And also feel free to check out our Etsy store as well. There's a lot of helpful digital products, anything from order forms, Shopify templates, thank you cards, different things that you can use for your social media accounts. So please feel free to check that out if something like these might be helpful to you as well. Once again, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.